Hey, what's up, Kenneth? My voice isn't 100%, but it's good enough to talk and do this. So I just wanted to say that I think that I never shot you one of these videos. So I wanted to go over and do this. It'll kind of explain what all goes into ranking a website in Google, how you get there, and how you get these calls coming in. And it'll also explain some of the costs that go into it. First, I just want to show you, this is a search that I did, Tallahassee painters. The reason I chose this search is because I use this software called Ahrefs that I pay for, and it shows me that that term gets searched 100 times a month. So there's other keywords here that get searched 150 times a month, 90, 80, 50 times a month. So ideally you would want to be ranking for all of these. You don't really have a website, or I wasn't able to find it, so I'm just going to use the Painters Pro one that I made, and I wanted to show you this here. Okay, also we'll use Superior Paintings. They seem to be like the #1 competitor in the area. You notice that they're ranking here in the map pack, and that's us right there, #1 in the organic. Okay, so that's just gonna need to be noticed for the rest of this video. And actually we can pop them open and kind of compare them to Painters Pro as well. So there's 3 main things that go into ranking in Google. The first thing is content on the home page. So if we just copy everything that you see here, all this verbiage, the images, what they're saved as, just everything here on this home page, and we copy it, throw it into this word counter, shows me that there's right over 2,000 words on the home page, and that's right where we want to be. Typically you want 1,500 or above, because Google sees your content as informative, and then it is relevant to the search terms. Okay, the other thing is you want to use these keywords in the home page so that Google reads that and sees that you are relevant to being the top result whenever people search for that. Okay, so we have strategically put in those key terms and other key terms so that we show up #1 according to Google, because we're more relevant than other websites. Okay, just as a comparison, this looks kind of funky. Maybe let me try and refresh that. Yeah. Okay, we'll just do, this is like our #1 competitor right now. We copy him in there. Okay, we put him in here. They don't even have 1,000 words, so we're beating them there. Okay, the next thing is backlinks. And all a backlink is basically one website that links to us and passes juice and power. Okay, this is really important because it's a signal to Google that you're relevant and that somebody else is passing power to you. It's almost like they're voting for you to be, relevant, voting that you're that you acquire that power. And it also gives you a better health rating. Okay, if I duplicate this, take Superior Painting, throw them in here, we can kind of compare where their health rating and their power is compared to the Painters Pro one. Okay, so notice mine had 40 and 30. Theirs has 28 and 14. So they're a lot less powerful than I am right now, according to the backlinks. Okay, so that's why I am in the #1 organic spot, because I have a lot more power, because I've built up these links. I've reached out to these people, paid them to link to us to really high quality websites, and they're linking to us, passing a lot more power than our competitors are. Now, here's the thing. The reason why Superior is in this map pack, and we're not far behind them, this is something that I'm working on at the moment, is because I use this local citation finder. All a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number. And then you put that on various, directories throughout the web. And if you think about it like this, www stands for World Wide Web. So it's talking about your presence on the internet. And whenever you link all of those together, it's kind of making a web. So the more links you have, the more your information is out there. Google notices that, and then you become more relevant to your local area. As of right now, I have 31 citations, okay? That's what this tool tells me. Okay, down here, I looked up Superior, they have 42. Okay, so they're beating me by, 11? Right, which I could easily go and get those, and that's one thing that I'm working on, reaching out to those places, getting my listing up there. That costs money as well. Obviously, writing content does, but that's why they're in this map pack. And there's other things that go into this too, but that's the most obvious and direct. So those are like the three main things to ranking in Google. I just wanted to break that down for you. I realized that because the site was already ranking and producing, I haven't really gone through that process with you, showing you that. And for different keywords, Tallahassee Painters Pro will show up in here. The other day I did a search and I think it was Painters Tallahassee, and it came up. So I'll try and make this short and sweet, but thanks, and we'll talk soon. Let me know what you think.